Policy, Honorable Minister.
Good to see you.
Good to see
It's
you.
very pleasure.
Pleasure meeting you as well.
Thank you.
Pleasure. Since the establishment of this new Islamia and education, I'm very much interested in working closely in political, cultural, defense,
In Nigeria,